4 perfect square trinomials. Let's FOIL some problems and look at the answers. FOIL x plus 5 squared. That means x plus 5 times x plus 5. First, x times x, x squared. Outside, x times 5, 5x. Inside, 5 times x, 5x. Last, 5 times 5, 25. The 5x plus 5x adds up to 10x. FOIL 3x minus 2 squared. 3x minus 2 times another 3x minus 2. First, 3x times 3x, 9x squared. Outside, 3x times negative 2, negative 6x. Inside, negative 2 times 3x, negative 6x. Last, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. The minus 6x minus 6x adds up to negative 12x. So let's look at both of those. Those are the same problems. Each of those is called a perfect square trinomial. It's a trinomial because it's 3. And the first thing and the last thing are both squares. Something times itself. X squared is x times x. The 25 is 5 times 5. In the second one, 9x squared is 3x times 3x, and 4 is 2 times 2. So break down each of them into what times itself, and then FOIL to check. Note that the last term is positive, so the signs will either be positive times positive or negative times negative. Factor in each example. Example 1, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Break down the 4x squared into 2x times 2x. Break down the 9 into 3 times 3. And you have all positive because everything's plus. Notice that we can also call this 2x plus 3 squared. Check by FOIL. First, 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Outside, 2x times 3, 6x. Inside, 3 times 2x, 6x. Last, 3 times 3, 9. 6 plus 6 adds up to our 12x in the middle. Example 2, 25x squared plus 70x plus 49. Break down the 25x squared into 5x times 5x. 49 is 7 times 7, so that can be called 5x plus 7 squared. FOIL to check. First, 5x times 5x, 25x squared. Outside, 5x times 7, 35x. Inside, 7 times 5x, 35x. Last, 7 times 7, 49. In the middle, 35x plus 35x equals 70x. Example 3, 9x squared plus 30x plus 25. Break down the 9x squared into 3x times 3x. Break down the 25 into 5 times 5. Everything's positive, so we have plus, plus. So that can also be called 3x plus 5 squared. Check, FOIL. First, 3x times 3x, 9x squared. Outside, 3x times 5, 15x. Inside, 5 times 3x, 15x. Last, 5 times 5, 25. Add up our like terms. 15x plus 15x is 30x. Example 4, 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. 9x squared is 3x times 3x. 1 is 1 times 1. FOIL to check. 3x times 3x, 9x squared. Outside, 3x times 1, 3x. Inside, 3x times 1, 3x. Last, 1 times 1 is 1. In the middle, 3x plus 3x equals 6x. Example 5, 16x squared plus 8xy plus y squared. 16x squared would be 4x times 4x. Y squared is y times y. FOIL to check. 4x times 4x, 16x squared. Outside, 4x times y, 4xy. Inside, y times 4x, 4xy. Order those letters alphabetically. Last, y times y, y squared. Like terms in the middle, 4xy plus 4xy, 8xy. Example 6, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. 4x squared is 2x times 2x. 9 is 3 times 3. Note that we need a negative times a negative to equal a positive 9. Negative 3 times negative 3 to equal a positive 9, so that the O and the I add up to negative 12 in the middle. Check. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Outside, 2x times negative 3, negative 6x. Inside, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. Last, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So our minus 6x minus 6x adds up to negative 12x. Example 7. 25x squared minus 40x plus 16. Break down the 25x squared, 5x times 5x. 16 is 4 times 4. We need minus 4 minus 4, so that the negative times a negative equals positive 16, and that we get the negative in the middle for our negative 40x. FOIL, 5x times 5x, 25x squared. Outside, 5x times negative 4, negative 20x. Inside, negative 4 times 5x, negative 20x. Last, negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. Our minus 20 gives us minus 40x in the middle. Example 8, x squared minus 10x plus 25. X squared is x times x. 25 is 5 times 5. We need minus, so that negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 25, and we get a negative for our O and our I. FOIL, x times x, x squared. Outside, x times negative 5, negative 5x. Inside, negative 5 times x, negative 5x. Last, negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. Our O and our I, minus 5x is minus 10x. Always FOIL to make sure it's correct. That's the end.